Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal again with one more video. Today I'm going to teach you very important thing about HP Color LaserJet printer. It's a new model over here with me, HP Color LaserJet 150A. What is the issue? Whenever you print the document through this printer, sometimes it show the message that waste toner cartridge need to replace or reinstall. You will see the message about waste tuner cartridge, waste tuner. Okay, so in this model I will show you how to clean the waste tuner cartridge and where it's located. Waste tuner, okay, waste tuner part where is available. You have to open the front cover after power off and remove all the tuners outside carefully without getting damaged or anything. Remove all the tuner from the printer, and then this is, you can see the side one. Okay, this is, you have to remove, okay, with your hand like this. Move this, and this is the waste tuner. Okay, just make it empty, the waste tuner. You have to clean it well, and you can see here is the sensor. Clean it well because this mirror is actually sense inside the printer that the waste tuner cartridge is full. So now I will clean it well and fix it back. Right after clean, we will insert back carefully, okay, like this. Then we will return back our tuners carefully. Here we go, and close the front cover. Now we'll turn back on. If your waste cartridge is full, you have to make it empty, then turn back on your printer and you will not find again this waste tuner error. Okay, this is the method. If you want to order a new one waste tuner, I think it's a waste of money. No need to buy a new one. If you want to buy it, just you can buy it from Amazon or AliExpress or eBay. You can find it in the local market. But this is a new model. I will recommend you just clean it well, empty it well, clean the sensors and fix it back, and this will work definitely. If you have any other question, any kind of HP LaserJet Color LaserJet printer Pro, anyone, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. All the best.